In any internal combustion engine, there are a number of essential parts arranged so that a basic series of events happen, known as the operating cycle. The internal combustion engine is a form of heat engine. Heat energy produced by burning fuel within the engine is changed into mechanical energy. Internal combustion engines are found in all sorts of machines, from cars to lawnmowers. Here are the essential parts of an engine. Number 1, the cylinder. Fuel is introduced into the cylinder for burning. Number 2, the piston. This moves up and down within the cylinder. Number 3, the cylinder head. This seals off the top of the cylinder. Number 4, the crankshaft. This rotates. Number 5, the connecting rod. This connects the piston to the crankshaft. Number 6, the inlet valve. This allows for entry of fuel into the cylinder. Number 7, the exhaust valve, which allows the exit of gases. Number 8, a camshaft. This opens the valve. Number 9, valve springs. These close the valves. Number 10, the flywheel. This is fitted to the crankshaft to help it rotate. There are 4 stages in the operating cycle of an engine. Stage 1, intake stroke. First, the intake valve opens. Next, the piston moves outward in the cylinder towards the crankshaft. This causes a partial vacuum. Then, a mixture of fuel and air goes into the cylinder. Stage 2, compression stroke. As the piston reaches the bottom of the cylinder, the valves are closed and the mixture is compressed, or pressure is increased as the inward movement of the piston commences. As the piston approaches the top of the cylinder, the fuel is ignited by a spark from the top of a spark plug which screws into the cylinder. This forces the piston outward in the cylinder. Stage 4, exhaust stroke. An exhaust valve opens and the movement of the piston inward forces gases from the explosion out of the cylinder. A 4-stroke cycle engine is an internal combustion engine that utilizes 4 distinct piston strokes to complete one operating cycle. An operating cycle requires 2 revolutions of the crankshaft. In a 2-stroke engine cycle, the intake, compression, power, and exhaust strokes all occur within a first rotation of the crankshaft.